So you can use your computer or your smart TV and then signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then just click on settings. And then on the settings, at the membership, on the base plan, you want to make sure you are having this manage option instead add option. And after that, you can go back by clicking right here on TV at the top left of your screen. From here, you can just click on the search bar at the top right of your screen. And then you can just search for TNT. And then on the TNT network, you want to click on it. And there you go. You can just watch any show by TNT using your smart TV. Or if you want to watch the live session of TNT and want to record it to your library, you can just click on any upcoming live session and then click on these three dots and then just click on add any show name. This way, YouTube TV will record the live session for you even if you don't watch it on live. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch TNT on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.